Want to create a digital backup of your Blu-ray discs? Blu-ray discs often come with copy protection and region restrictions. These limitations can make it difficult to copy or save Blu-ray content directly. In this video, I'll show you how to copy Blu-ray discs to ISO files or folders while keeping the original qualities. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Blu-ray Copy module. First, insert your Blu-ray disc into the drive. Open Leawo Professor Media on your Windows or Mac computer and select the Blu-ray Copy module. This tool allows you to copy Blu-ray discs, Blu-ray folders, and ISO image files easily. Step 2. Load Blu-ray disc. Click Add UHD/Blu-ray/DVD or directly drag your Blu-ray drive into the program. Leawo Blu-ray Copy will analyze the disc structure automatically and load all available content. Step 3. Choose Blu-ray Copy mode. Now choose your preferred copy mode. Select Full Movie to copy the entire Blu-ray disc with all menus and extras, or choose Main Movie to copy only the main title and save storage space. You can also select your target disc type at the bottom. Step 4. Copy Blu-ray to ISO or folder. Click the green Copy button. Choose ISO file or folder as the output format and select the destination folder. Click the Copy button to start the Blu-ray backup process. Your Blu-ray content will be saved with the original video and audio quality. That's how to copy and back up Blu-ray discs with Leawo Blu-ray Copy. Now you can create Blu-ray backups and save your discs as ISO files or folders with ease. Click the link in the description to download the free trial of Leawo Blu-ray Copy and try it today. Thanks for watching.